Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are watching us from. Welcome to this special broadcast. There is a dramatic development regarding Nnamdi Kanu's trial. For those who are just knowing about this, Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra. He has been detained by the Department of State Services, DSS, since 2021. They charge him for terrorism. But now, Nnamdi Kanu has made a bold pledge offering to reward any Nigerian law student who can understand this judicial precedent. That's concerning criminal cases. According to him, what does it mean to stay execution in a case whereby a defendant is acquitted? What is stay of execution? Where has it happened before in Nigeria that anybody that tells him where they have seen such, the person will be rewarded 1 million naira? Of course, Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. He made this known through his special counsel, Barrister Lawyer Ejimako, during a press conference. That was last Thursday. He said he will reward 1 million naira to any law student. So law students, you people should gather 1 million naira for any law student to show him an example in Nigerian jurisprudence where a judge granted a stay of execution after an accused person has been acquitted and discharged. There was a controversial decision by appeal court in October 2022 by Justice Haruna Samani of the appeal court. I don't know, they say they have moved into Supreme Court now. He granted a stay of execution. Despite that Nnamdi Kanu has been acquitted from the charges, this particular judge is this same judge that is involved in the P2B election tribunal case. The ones that handed victory to Tinubu. You can imagine what to expect. These are the set of people. I think they have been promoted afterwards, Nigeria, you understand the game. Do I need to be telling you everything? Of course. You know what they will get for that? It is the same judge. I don't know if he has been promoted. As at then, he was in the appeal court. Remember, a 3-judge panel ruled that Kanu's extraordinary rendition from Kenya to Nigeria violated international law, declaring the charges against him as unlawful due to the failure of the Nigerian government to follow extradition procedure. Of course, you know that for you to bring somebody from another country, there is a process. Extradition is not the same as kidnap. What happened in the case of Nnamdi Kanu was a kidnap. He was kidnapped from Kenya. Several people colluded and he was kidnapped and brought to Nigeria. That is not extradition process. Some people say they even drugged him, we don't know. But what happened, what we saw happen was kidnap. And on that basis, the three judges acquitted him. But this particular judge that was involved in the case of Peter Obi, the election tribunal, granted a stay of execution. Now, Kanu has turned this to a game. And for me, this is a mess of the Nigerian judiciary. Kanu is forwarding 1 million naira to anyone who can show where something like that has happened before. That is what they call precedence. Show us. Because, in legal matters, you see them refer to state versus state versus state versus Okafor in 19 Such is being done in judgment. They refer to this is as was in. So we are staying. Why are they staying in execution? Nnamdi Kanu is asking any law student. This is an opportunity for you. Show us where this has happened before. Where somebody that was acquitted, after being acquitted, meanwhile, you know what happened that time? In case you don't know, those 3 judges, they were moved. They were sent far away from Abuja where the judgment was given. The government of the day was not pleased with the judgment they gave. So they moved them away. Now they brought another judge. Instead of following the judgment given by those people, they brought another. Nigeria. So the legal team pointed out that the stay of execution granted by appeal court was unprecedented, as it was the first time in the Nigerian legal history that a person who had been acquitted was denied their release through such an order. They argued that no legal precedent exists for this. That was the first case of such. And the legal team also referenced various court rulings, including a 2023 decision by the High Court of Enugu State, which declared that the actions taken against Kanu were unconditional and violated his fundamental rights. So he's making a caricature of Nigerian judiciary now. Kanu's pledge of 1 million naira is not just a challenge to the law student, but also a call for justice in his case. His legal team insists that Kanu's detention is politically motivated, of course we know. He is driven by his advocacy for Biafran determination, a right that they argued is enshrined in both Nigerian and international human rights agreements. Now, as this legal battle continues to unfold, with questions raised about respect for court orders in Nigeria and the rule of law, Kanu's lawyers are calling for his immediate release. They have cited several judgments that have ruled his detention is unlawful. So, if somebody's detention is unlawful, why are they still keeping him? Why would they still keep him? Nigeria is in a mess. Yes, Nigeria is in a serious mess. So, law students, you people should warm up, warm up, warm up. This is a great opportunity. I know a lot of these law students need money, maybe to complete their studies. So, this is up for grab. 1 million naira by Nnamdi Kanu and his team. Show us where it has happened before. This is the first of its kind. Show us where it has happened before. This is where we draw a curtain on this one. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Share this video while I'm Azoka OJ. I say bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.